James here with Shut Up and Do It Yourself. I've had to do this a couple times, so I figured I'd make a quick video about it to help people out. So I found that this is the best way to cook bacon. This is how I always do it. So you dump out the pack on a bacon sheet covered in aluminum foil. You spread them out, and then what I do is I bacon's flat. Come in here like this, and you just give it a little curl. It gives you more room on the pan, so you can fit more bacon, and it also helps it like drip off all the grease. And I'll show you how it looks when it's done. All right, as you can see, I was able to get that whole pack of bacon on there. I found that this is a lot better than using like a cast iron skillet or a pan, because you're only able to do a certain amount of bacon each time, and makes a huge mess. I just found that this would be the easiest, fastest way to get a bunch of bacon cooked. We're gonna set it to 375. I don't like waiting, so I'm gonna just put it in there. Let it heat up. Doesn't matter that much. And I'll probably set a timer for 10 minutes. I would do it for at least 20 minutes because it's not heated up, probably a little bit longer. After 10 minutes, I usually take it out and then dump all the grease into some container. And then at the end I do that again, get all the grease off of it, and it makes it extra crispy. Yeah, it just got up to temp at 10 minutes, so I'm gonna let it cook for another 5 before I drain it, and then another 10 minutes after that 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes is up. It's hard to do with one hand. Take this bad boy out. Oh, there's a bunch of grease on the pan. What I typically do is grab some kind of Pyrex, and then you can don't sue me. You can touch the tin aluminum foil, you won't get burned. Kind of like make a little spout in the corner. All the grease will run out, and then you just tilt it. You can see the grease. It's hard to do with one hand. And I spilled it all over the place. Oh shit. Okay, so I couldn't do that with one hand. I poured the grease into that and put it back in. I'm gonna do it for another 10 minutes, and then I'll drain it again, flip all the bacon, and then another 5 minutes. All right, 10 minutes is up. Here, come hold this. Come hold this. And this is the good drain. That drain going. Get closer. Drain the bacon. Hopefully the kitchen's bigger than mine. Get all that grease out of there. Alright, now we're going to flip them and do it for another 5 minutes to get both sides nice and crispy. Just go through, grab each piece. Might be a little stuck, but you just want to flip it over. And I don't want to watch the whole thing. How did they see this? Alright, got it all flipped over. Now I'm going to put it in for another 5 minutes, and then we'll be done. Okay, we're done. Now what you want to do is take your handy dandy tongs, and you want to transfer the bacon into a plate with a piece of paper towel on it, So this will collect all the rest of the grease off of the bacon, and you want to let it sit for a little bit so the bacon will solidify. Otherwise, won't be as crispy. And that is how you cook bacon. Also, you might need to layer it. So do as much bacon as you can. Put it in the paper towel. Put more bacon on top until you can't really fit any more bacon without stacking. And then let it dry out. And then if you want to flip over the bacon so it dries on both sides, just put another plate on top. And then flip it over. All the grease will drain on both sides. And the finished product, beautiful, tasty, delicious bacon. Everything you've always wanted in life, and before your eyes. Delicious, nutritious. Oh yeah, baby. I like when you look at me like that. Oh, it makes me feel good inside.